tell me how you got involved in readings and workshops, and
Uh,
how does a drummer get involved in things like that?
um, Again, it all goes back to the relationships you have, and um, meeting Stephen Arimas at Wicked and Alex at Bat Boy. Those guys, when they do a reading, sometimes will call me to help develop it. And a lot of the MDs I worked with subbing would call me for readings because they liked the way I played, or they would ask the regular drummer and they weren't available. So then I would be available. The thing about playing readings is you need several skills. You need to be able to, a lot of times, read piano music and know how to interpret it to play a drum part. You also have to be able to play by ear, make stuff up on the fly, um, knowing styles. That's why I always say playing in bands and listening is so important because they want authentic versions of these styles that they're trying to copy. So if you can play a lot of styles and can play by ear without charts, and then a lot of times you have piano music, so you're reading that and remembering what to play, or you can write it in. And then you need to be able to play very soft a lot of times in these workshops because they don't have microphones yet. I always say Broadway's like two different gigs because you play the workshop with toothpicks as soft as you can, then you get into the pit and you play like stadium rock. Um, so it's sometimes the parts evolve because of that.